Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel Study with Uzma Ansari. Today we are going to do the first chapter of algebra, practice set 1.1. First, in the very first question you are having this activity. Complete the following activity to solve simultaneous equations. I want to tell you students, there are almost 7 or 14 activities you will be having in your whole textbook, in your whole syllabus, and this activity consists of 7 marks in your paper. So if you'll do all the activities very well, 7 marks will be yours. So here we are having with our first activity. Here we have to solve the simultaneous equation. So the meaning of simultaneous means together. So we have to solve the linear equations which are together. So you are having 5x plus 3y is equals to 9. This is your equation 1. 2x minus 3y is equals to 12 is your equation 2. It is given in your question that we have to add equations 1 and 2. So when we are having opposite signs, here we have to add them. So 5x plus 3y is equals to 9 and 2x minus 3y equals to 12. We will add them. So 5 plus 2 will become 7x. Right, student? And 9 plus 12 will become 12 plus 9 is 21. So 7x equals to 21. So here we will write x is equals to what? 21. We will write it here. And 7 you are having in multiplication form. So 7 here is in multiplication form. It will go on the second side of the equal. It will become divide. So 21 divided by 7. So 7 ones are 7 and 7 threes are is 21. So the value of x is 3. See, here it is given place x is equals to 3 in equation 1. We got the value of x 3. Here also we got the value of 3, means we are doing correctly here. So now what we are going to do, we will place x is equals to 3 in equation first. Here 5x plus 3y is equals to 9. So in place of x we will write the value 3. So 5 into 3 plus 3y is equals to 9. So 5 into 3 is what? 15. So we will write it here 15. So 3y equals to 9. This was in our plus form. When it moved on the second side of the equal, it became minus. So 9 minus 15. So 15 minus 9 is 6. The bigger number sign is minus, so it will become minus 6. So therefore minus 6, this 3 will come here in the division form. So minus 6 divided by 3, which is going to be minus 2. So therefore the value of simultaneous equation, we got x is equals to 3 and y is equals to minus 2. The solution is x comma y, which is 3 comma minus 2. So now we have solved question number 1. Now we are moving on the question number 2, that is solve the following simultaneous equations. So in this, your first question is 3a plus 5b is equals to 26. We will give this equation 1. Then a plus 5b is equals to 22. We will give this equation 2. So when we look at these questions, beta, when we look at this variable, when we look at these equations, what we are seeing, here we are having 5b, here are also 5b. When we are having same variable and same constant, at that time what we do, we add or subtract to solve further. So here we are, now we will see the signs. So here is plus sign and here are also plus sign. The signs are plus. So when we are having the similar sign, we will subtract. So subtracting equation 1 and 2. 3a plus 5b is equals to 26. A plus 5b is equals to 22. When we do the subtractions, we change the signs of a equation. So this is plus a, this will become minus a. This is 5b, this is going to be minus 5b. This is plus 22, it will become minus 22. So now when we will solve this, 3a minus a will become 2a. Plus 5b minus 5b will become 0. We will cancel it. 26 minus 22 is equals to 4. A is equals to 4 upon 2. A is equals to 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. The value of A is 2. Now what we will do, we will place the value of 2 in equation. Any of the equation you can substitute in equation 1 also and in equation 2 also. So substituting A is equals to 2 in equation. For example, we are substituting in equation 2. You can choose any of the equation of your choice which you find easy. So A plus 5B is equals to 22. Now we will substitute the 2 here. We will substitute the value of A here. So value of A is 2. So therefore, instead of A we will write 2 plus 5B is equals to 22. Therefore, 5B is equals to 22. Plus 2 will move on the another side of equal. It will become minus 2. So therefore, 5B is equals to 22 minus 2 is 20. Therefore, B is equals to 20 upon 5. Therefore, B is equals to 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are is 20. So we'll get the value 4. So therefore, solution what we get? Solution of A and B we got 2, 4. Hence done. Moving on to our next question. X plus 7y equals to 10 and 3x minus 2y is equals to 7. So beta, x plus 7y equals to 10, we will give this equation 1. 3x minus 2y is equals to 7, we will give this equation 2. Now see beta, here we have to see whether we are having same variable, same constant or not. So if you see, here is x and here is 3x. In first equation you are having only x, that is 1x, and in equation 2 you are having 3x. Okay, so we are not having same variable and same constant here. So next, here we are having plus 7 y with y, and here we are having minus 2 with y. Here also we are not having same constant. So what we have to do better, we have to make the constant same. So for this what I am going to do, here we are having 3, here we are not having 3. So I will multiply equation 1 by 3. Multiply equation 1 by 3. So after multiplying with 3, 3 into x will become 3x, 3 into 7y will become 21y, and 3 tens are is 30. So we will give this equation 3. Now for some time you can forget equation 1. Now we will look further at 3x minus 2y equals to 7 and 3x plus 21y equals to 30. We will see equation 2 and equation 3. So here it is in a plus form 3x, and here 3x is also in a plus form. So what we are going to do beta, we will subtract again. Subtract equation 2 and 3. So like 3x minus 2y is equals to 7 and 3x plus 21y equals to 30. As we have done in the first question, we will change the signs. Plus 3x will become minus 3x, plus 21y will become minus 21y, plus 30 will become minus 30. So 3x minus 3x will become 0. Now minus 2y minus 20y, minus minus plus. So 2 plus 21 is 23. What is the sign of bigger number? It's minus. So we will write minus 23y equals to 30 minus 7. That is 30 minus 7 is also 23. Sign of bigger number is minus. So minus 23. So therefore, y is equals to minus 23 upon minus 23. Minus minus will get cancelled. 23 ones are is 23. So y is equals to 1. So what we got the value of y? We got the value of y as 1. Now what we are going to do further, beta, we will substitute the value of 1 in any of the equation, value of y in any 3 equation. Means we are having 3 equations here, we can substitute in any equation to get the value of x. Suppose I am substituting the value of y in equation 1. So substituting y is equals to 1 in equation 1. Your equation 1 is x plus 7y is equals to 10. So therefore x plus 7, on place of y I will write its value is 1 is equals to 10. Therefore x plus 7 ones are is 7 equals to 10. Therefore x is equals to, here we are having 10, we will move plus 7 here, so it will become minus 7. Therefore x is equals to 3. So therefore what we got the solution of x and y? We got the solution 3, 1. Hence done. Moving on to our third question, 2x minus 3y equals to 9 and 2x plus y is equals to 30. We will give 2x minus 3y equals to 9 as equation 1 and 2x plus y equals to 13 equation 2. Here beta, if you see, we are having same variables here and same constant also, 2x. So we can directly subtract equation 1 and 2 and we can solve it further. But I want to make it a little twister. I want to make a little twist here. See, here we are having plus, here we are having minus. So we can also solve this by adding equations 1 and 2. For that what we have to do, I have to make one step further, and that is I have to add one more step here, and which will be the multiplication. What I am going to do, here we are having 3y, but here we are having only y. So I will multiply equation 2 by 3. Okay. So after multiplying equation 2 by 3, 3 into 2x will become 6x, 3 into y will become 3y, and 3 into 13 will become 39. So this is going to be equation 3. So now to solve further, we can take equation 1 and equation 3. Here we are having sign minus, here we are having plus. So when we are having opposite sign in simultaneous equations, what we do? We add the equations. So adding equation 1 and 3. Adding equation 1 and 3, 2x minus 3y is equals to 9 and 6x plus 3y equals to 39. What we are doing? We are adding. So 2x plus 6x will become 8x, minus 3 plus 3 will become 0. 39 plus 9 is 48. So therefore beta, x is equals to 48 divided by 8. This 8 when will move on the second side, it will become in the division form. It will come on the division side. It will become a division. Then x is equals to 8 ones are 8 and 8 6 are is 48. So value of x what we got? 6. Now we can substitute this 6 in any of the equation. Like we are having equation 1, 2 and 3. We can substitute in any equation. So for example, if I say I am substituting in equation 2. So substituting x is equals to 6 in equation 2. So your equation 2 is 2x plus y equals to 13. So therefore 2 into 6 plus y is equals to 13. Therefore 2 6 are is 12 plus y equals to 13. Therefore y is equals to 13 minus 12. Therefore y is equals to 1. Solution xy. So solution of x and y, what we get? The value of x is 6 and a value of y is 1. Hence done. Hope you are understanding So here, like, share and subscribe. Study with Usman Ansari. Meet you on the second video. Till then, take care.